Hello. I hope you all have had a good week and hopefully it hasn't been too stressful for you. So this is just an assignment, or this video is to help you with your assignments for your tasks that you need to do today since we are not having our regular Zoom classes. So I will show you the document that you will be working on. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's called Using Songs to Learn English Vocabulary, and that's what it is. What you're going to do for today is you're going to listen to a song in English, and you will be doing some activities to learn new vocabulary in English. This is just a little assignment that is not connected to what we have been doing. It's more like an experiment to see how we can use songs to learn English grammar and English vocabulary and to see if you like it. So I will have the instructions right here where it says basically what I just told you. In some parts of your assignment, I do require you to take a screenshot or a picture of your work just so that I know that you did it. And if you don't know how to do that on the Chromebook, I do have a picture right here to show you how to take a screenshot. So if we move down the page, we look at our task number one, number one thing we have to do is the warm-up. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to this page. And as you can see, there's a lot going on in this page. There's a lot of stuff. What I want you to focus on is on task 1 and task 2. So task 1, as you can see, there are pictures with letters. What you do here is you click and you go picture A, okay, and then you pick the vocabulary word that you think matches, that goes with the picture. And what's nice about this website is that if you get it wrong, it'll show you right away and you can try again. When you are done with this part, task 1, take a screenshot and put it right here. Your picture, I want you to put right here. When you are done, move on to task 2, where you click on this video and you just listen to the song. That's all you have to do is listen and see how much of the song can you understand with no subtitles, with just listening. When you are done, you can move on to step 2, which is the listening, task 3. I do have the web page again on here, but it'll take you to the same page. So what you need to do is to get to task 3, you go to activities, listening. Okay, and the video of the song will pop up again. Click on the video, but this time you have the lyrics right here. And as you can see, some parts are blank and you have to click and find what is the correct word that goes with the sentence. And you'll know that by listening to the song. So do this. Once you're done, you can go to Show Solution to check your work. And then you're going to take a screenshot of this and post screenshot for task 3 right here. Once you are done with that part, you move on to part 3, which is the practice test. And you get a word bank with words in it, vocabulary. What you do is you read the sentence and you fill in the vocab word. Okay? And once you're done with that, you are done with all you need to do for academic English. If you have any questions, remember you can always email me or you can email Miss Reyes. And some of you even have my phone number, so you can even give me a text if there is something you do not understand. And remember, you can also still Zoom with either me or Miss Reyes, even though we don't have Zoom classes scheduled this week. You can still, Zoom with me, and we can do this assignment together, for example, if you want. Just let me know. All right, that is it for today, and I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will hopefully see you all next week through Zoom. So, bye-bye.